Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that other home token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, other home is the governance and utility token for the DeFi app, a platform designed to simplify decentralized finance by unifying access across multiple blockchains through a user-friendly classless interface. DeFi Simplification Hub. It powers an app that lets users swap, trade, and stake assets across chains like Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Solana without managing gas fees or bridges. Built on scalable tech, the underlying platform leverages Arbitrum, a layer 2 network, to offer faster and cheaper transactions while maintaining security. Community governance token. Holders uses home to vote on key ecosystem decisions and gain benefits like fee discount and staking rewards. Other home token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 400 million. Other home token is listed on CoinDCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.